Let's make a strawberry keychain using the large clover pom-pom maker. I first wrap my red yarn around one wing of the maker. Once it's wrapped in place, I'll fill the maker until there's no white showing. After that's complete, I take the yellow yarn and pepper it in sporadically to make seeds. Then I'll take the red yarn and completely cover the yellow and repeat this process until the wing is full. When that wing's full, you can close it and start the other side. On the second wing, you'll fill in the middle with green, then repeat the process of completely covering everything with red, then peppering in yellow. Continue the process until the wing is full, then end on yellow so that the color is even throughout. Turn the maker to the side to find the groove and cut around your pom-pom. After, take a 12-inch strand of yarn and run it through the middle of the pom-pom maker. Pull tight to secure, then make a couple knots with the yarn. Then place 5 more strands of yarn through the maker and you don't have to secure them. Carefully open each wing segment, then slowly pull apart your pom-pom maker. Give your pom-pom a good fluff, then braid the long strands of yarn before knotting and cutting the end. When that's complete, you're ready to cut your pom-pom into shape. Trim your pom-pom until it looks like a strawberry. You can stop here, but I chose to add a tassel to the end, and we just posted an in-depth tutorial on tassel making. Finish by adding a keyring and your keychain is complete.